In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a click trigger in Mailerlite automation. We'll start right from your browser. Open your preferred browser and type Mailerlite into the search bar. Look for the official Mailerlite website in the results. It should clearly reference the email marketing platform and use the correct domain. Click that result to go to the home page. Once you're there, click Login and sign into your account to reach your dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Automations tab. This is where your behavior-based workflows are created and managed, so it's the ideal place to build journeys that react to what your subscribers do. Click Create Workflow. On some accounts, you might see New Automation instead. Both options open the same builder. You can start from scratch for complete control or choose a template for a quick setup. Either way, give your automation a clear, descriptive name. Good naming makes it easy to find later and helps keep your team aligned on its purpose. Inside the Workflow Editor, look at the sidebar for the Workflow Trigger dropdown. Open that menu and select Clicks a Link. This choice tells Mailerlite to enroll people in your workflow the moment they click a specific hyperlink you define. You'll now see a link field. Paste the exact URL that subscribers must click to enter the workflow. The safest approach is to copy the link directly from your browser's address bar and paste it here to avoid typos or missing parameters. Make sure it includes the full protocol, HTTPS included, so tracking and redirects work correctly. If that link changes in the future, you can return here, update it, and save to keep the automation accurate. Next, go to the Settings tab for this trigger. You'll see an option labeled Allow Subscribers to Re-enter Automation. Turn this on if you want the workflow to fire every time a subscriber clicks that link, which is helpful for recurring content or repeat campaigns. Leave it unchecked if you only want each person to go through the sequence once, which is perfect for one-time onboarding or a single download sequence. Click Save to lock in the trigger. With the trigger set, click the plus icon in the workflow to add what happens next, such as sending a follow-up email or moving the subscriber into a specific group. Keep your flow focused on one clear goal so performance is easy to understand. When your design is complete and everything looks good, go to the top right of the page and toggle the automation to active. Your click-triggered workflow is now live and ready to respond whenever subscribers hit that link.